The following portion of Studio 512 is sponsored by Quality Foundation Repair. Are you a homeowner who's looking for a permanent solution to any cracks you might be seeing in your walls or your foundation? Quality Foundation Repair can help. Owner Simon Wallace is here to tell us more. Simon, let's first talk about those telltale signs, those things that people can be looking for to know, hey, maybe I've got a problem in the house with my foundation.
Absolutely. It is up to the homeowner to be that diligent eye on their property. What typically they look for is something like drywall cracks, any wall coverings. Usually diagonal cracks are kind of the telltale signs of some kind of level shift within the home. But then there's also doors sticking, tile cracking, that kind of thing. Seasonal changes that indicate the soil and the foundation is moving, and that requires calling a professional.
Let's talk about areas of town. Are there any particular neighborhoods, you've been doing this 20 years, that are more prone to see some of these foundation issues?
Great question. There are, and that's just because of the makeup in the soil. Further west of town, you get a lot more rock. We're further into the hill country there. More rock, more stability. But east of I-35, there's a lot more deep clay, so a lot of those homes shift. Locally, we're talking about Round Rock and Pflugerville for the slab foundations, and then in more central Austin, the Travis Heights and the Hyde Park areas. Some of those old traditional pier and beam homes, much like this one, you see the shifting.
You guys do really great work. You treat clients' homes the best way possible. Tell me about why someone should choose Quality Foundation Repair.
And when I first started the company, I'd just become a father.
Aww.
And I took a lot of those morals with me into the company, to be honest. Just to be honest, if something goes wrong, we let people know right away. If we don't know the answer, we get engineers involved and figure things out together. But we have a crew that's been with us many, many years, multiple crews, and some of them have been with us many years. We don't use any subcontracting crews. Everything is in-house, which makes sure we carry the right insurance. We're all in licensed trucks with our decals on, so you know it's Quality Foundation when they pull up, not just some other contractor. And then, yes, we do detailed inspections. From when I first started crawling under homes all those years ago, we sit down with people, we sketch it out. We use tablets now, but we go over the details and draw things out so anybody can understand what we're doing and, more importantly, why. Because to be honest with you, some of the repair methods that some companies are offering don't work.
Okay, good to know. Thank you so much for what it is you do, Simon. We appreciate your time. Thank you.
Thank you, Rosie.
Contact Quality Foundation Repair for a free estimate for your home at qfr-austin.com. The preceding portion of Studio 512 was sponsored by Quality Foundation Repair.